Welcome to how to put picture in TikTok comment. So in this video we are going to show you how to put picture in TikTok comment. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do here is basically open up TikTok, and after opening up TikTok, what you're gonna have to do, let's suppose that if I wanted to put a picture here, okay, in the comment of this video here, I will open up comments, and now here you can see that we don't have any kind of option to put picture in the comment here. Okay, so here you can see that we have at the rate option, we can just mention someone, okay, but we cannot basically put the picture in comment of TikTok video as of right now. Okay, so maybe in the future. So if I tap on this one here, you can see that we just send emojis. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.